Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that.
Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Sorry my voice sounds like weird, like I have a lisp or anything, or like it sounds low. I got my teeth pulled out yesterday. Well, only a tooth, not my teeth. So yeah, right now I'm trying to get used to the feeling of discomfort for a while. But anyways, that's besides the point. This video is sponsored by Unicehair. They sent me this wonderful 26-inch highlight wig and I love it. And now it's time to style the hair. So first I blow dried the hair to make sure that it's nice and dry, because I just bleached the knots and I also washed the hair so it can have like a nice little silky finish. So that's what I like to do. So I'm just making sure that everything's dry, even the roots, because sometimes I be forgetting to do that, and you don't want to add heat while your hair is still, you know, wet. It will damage the hair. You have to act like it's your real hair. So take care of it just like it's your real hair. This is the heat protectant that I use. It's from Cream of Nature, and it's really, really good for like giving a shine and like a silky touch to the hair. So I like to use that, you know, just put it right through the hair. You don't want to add heat without heat protector, because I feel like with the heat protector, it just makes the hair like not frizz. So that's what I really like about that. And then I also take Chit or She, and this is a silk infusion, and it basically just gives like a silky touch if this heat protectant is not able to do that, which I feel like together those two products really help give the look that you want. So yeah, and I also use my flat iron that my boo sent to me. Shout out to you, Andre. So I'm just passing by the hair, and that flat iron is really, really good. It's not, this video is not sponsored by the flat iron, but I want to recommend you guys this flat iron if you want to look for a flat iron that can give you the same look that your hairstyles would give you, because I know how it is when you try to flat iron your hair or your wig and it doesn't look like how the stylist does it. And I just feel like you could do it yourself at home. Of course, since it's quarantine, this will be the perfect time to go purchase this flat iron. It's really affordable. And yeah, I'll have the link to the flat iron down below, and also the products that I use in this video. So you're probably wondering, why did I flat iron the hair just to crimp it? Well, it gives it more like a silky, of course, crimp look, like finish, if I flat iron the hair and then crimp it. You don't have to like really like flat out the hair, of course. That's obviously what I didn't do, but you want to make sure that it's flat, not as flat like if you was actually flat ironing and giving it that look, but just to have like a base for your crimp to look as nice and like finished and just perfect, like how mine's look. As you guys can see close up, it looks like the perfect crimp. And if you didn't flat iron your hair and just left it like the blow dry look, it would be a lot harder to crimp, and also it would take a lot longer, and it just wouldn't look right. So that's why I did that, and I really wanted the crimp style. So of course we're gonna go in and crimp the hair now.
I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the.
So this part is the part that I really suck at. I'm not good at plucking because, first of all, I feel like when I pluck, nothing like comes out. Like I don't see no difference, and also I don't have the patience. So that's probably why like it doesn't look like I do anything, even though I try my best to. Hey guys, so you guys saw me like basically style my hair and stuff. So here's the wig so you guys could see. It's super listen, it's beautiful. Hold on, let me back it up a little bit. So here is the wig. Oh gosh, it is okay. Let me just turn the camera. So it is so beautiful. See, I crimped it, of course, because I just felt like it was giving crimp vibes. So yeah, now we're gonna install it so I can make this video. I'm bored of my blonde curly wig. This hair is so beautiful. It's so soft. It was easy to style, and it was not tingly at all. Like a lot of my wigs be like kind of tangly after like I wash them and stuff, but that one really wasn't. You guys know my ball cap method. So basically I just use Got2b, the yellow can, and I just spray it. Alright guys, so the wig cap has dried, so oh my gosh, I don't even have my scissors. So I have my wig cap scissors and I'm just gonna cut in the middle. You guys already know how I do this, but yeah. But not like this is like a cute. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, it's giving me Beyonce. It's giving me very much nude. Period. And I take my Bold Hold Active Lace Glue. I use this one because it's good when like you sweat, like it says in the name active, and just lasts a lot longer in my opinion. And I sweat a lot. Like I sweat entirely too much. Like I don't like to put too much glue because I don't even keep my wigs on for that long. The longest I keep a wig on is 2 weeks, and like I said with that blonde wig, the curly one that I had on, I don't think I told you guys how long I kept it in for, but I didn't keep it in for 2 weeks, let alone the whole week. I only kept it in for like 4 days because I got bored. So especially in this quarantine thing, I'm gonna be changing my wigs a lot because you know I'm not like I have more time to do them. I mean I kind of do. My work is getting in the way. Honestly, once like college class is over with and like I finish and I do this AP exam, everything else I hope will be smooth. In my eyes, I think it's going to be smooth. My last college class is next week, so I'm so excited for that to be over. Cause yeah, it has not been one professor that I absolutely loved yet. It's so crazy to me. Like every professor I had so far has been like rude to me, and I don't even know why. I'm a nice kid. I'm a ball of sunshine, so I guess that's why they probably like, why she always happy, like the hell is mad annoying, but listen, I don't care. But yeah, I'm waiting for this to dry and then we going to cut it and all that. Period poop.
With all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking, clearly a lot for me to take in. It don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day when you figure out you're gonna need someone, when you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that they move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S. You can get it.
I left it on for like probably 15 minutes, the scarf, so I can lay my edges and the lace down so it can melt. And now we are finito. Period. But I'm gonna add some accessories because I have a bunch of new accessory books. This one is old, but all these are new. I have one that says gold. I have one that says money. I have one that's just dollars. And I have one that just says heaven. So I'm gonna put all those in my hair because I feel like I want to do that. Yeah, I gotta make sure my hair stays laid. But as y'all can see, I really bodied it. Like, put it behind my hair type ish. Like, I need to put my earrings on now because if I put it behind my ears, like, what is there? Thank you, UNice, whatever, however you say it, for sending me this hair, this wig. I love it so much. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm sorry. So excited. But yeah, like, this is just so bomb. Like, I don't know what to say, but that is bomb. That's it. Alright, guys, let me back it up, back it up. Alright, guys, so I have to clean up the area. Y'all already know me. Y'all already know. Cannot stand stuff in my way. Okay? I am feeling myself. I was like feeling like down for like the past 3 weeks, but I'm feeling like myself again. Okay? This is me. So, of course, yes, me putting on a wig and putting on makeup making me feel like myself again. You got a problem with it? Come fight me. I'm waiting. I hope you guys enjoyed me installing this wig. And yeah, I would post, well, it was not going to be a chit chat, but like I kind of talked a little bit, so yeah. But I love this hair. Super soft, super voluminous. Love the volume, love the length. Very long, to be 26 inches. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for my videos that we got icy. You already know. And that's on P. Comment that's on P, right? You already know that's our little slogan. Period. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much and stay blessed. Bye, pretties.